Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get max level in Road to Glory. Reaching the pinnacle of your journey requires dedication and smart strategies, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. We'll cover essential tips, efficient leveling methods, and how to optimize your gameplay to ensure you're always progressing. Get ready to unlock your full potential and dominate the leaderboards. Let's dive in and make your Road to Glory a successful one. To master experience gain, focus on completing your daily and weekly challenges. These often provide significant experience boosts that are crucial for rapid progression. Also, keep an eye out for special in-game events and limited-time game modes. They frequently offer increased rewards and bonus experience points. Prioritizing quests and missions that grant substantial experience is key. By consistently tackling these objectives, you'll see your level climb steadily and efficiently. Optimizing your gameplay is vital for faster progression. Always utilize any experience boosters or bonus periods that become available, as they can dramatically accelerate your leveling. Playing with friends or in a group can also be incredibly beneficial, as you might gain shared experience or complete objectives more quickly. Furthermore, efficiently managing your in-game resources, like energy or currency, ensures you can always participate in activities that contribute to your leveling journey. Every little bit helps. As you near the maximum level, remember to continuously adapt your strategy. The game evolves, and staying updated on new content or changes can reveal even more efficient leveling paths. Don't overlook smaller, repeatable tasks. Their cumulative experience can make a big difference over time. Most importantly, enjoy the journey. Celebrate each milestone and embrace the challenge. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to reaching the ultimate level in Road to Glory. Good luck and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.